Hi, so now we're going to talk about how you can actually do hands-on some basic library searching kinds of stuff. So there are a lot of different tools you could use to search for things in the library. Let's just talk about, let's say, three, and that should be enough to get you off to the races. So the first one is just the library search. So you can see down here that that's the default searching box. So let's search for something really generic in the field that you all are interested in. So we'll just try programming. And just for fun, we'll spell it right. Churn, churn, churn. Okay, so we got, it looks like about 1.5 million search results, kind of a lot. So what can you do to narrow this down and make sure you've got what you actually need to have, right? So there are a number of ways you could go about limiting these search results. One is, over on the left here, you could use some things like changing the date range. Lots of times, and this is something we could talk about in person, people like to say that there's maybe a 10-year window that you might want to limit to, but in high-tech fields, maybe it's less than that. But for our purposes, let's just say that we don't want to start at 1614, and we do want to start at 2008. While we're doing that, it's going to update that for me. So that cut out a lot, you can see. We can also click this little checkbox, and that'll make it only the peer-reviewed articles. Peer-reviewed articles are, of course, the rigorous scientific studies vetted by other experts. So that cuts out even more of them. So we've gone from 1,400 to 600,000, or sorry, 1.5 million to 600,000 to about 400,000 now, right? So, and these will all be peer-reviewed articles. Now, how do you get them? So there's roughly two things that could happen here. Either you'll see that there's a little PDF full text link, and you could click on that like I'm about to do on this first one. And it'll go real slow. And what should happen here is a PDF popping up, but it's not. But that's the idea. Most of the time, something should. There's also things that are in full text. Oh man, it does not like me today. Or the alternative is that there's a Find It button. So that Find It could link you to a different database, like you're seeing right here, or it could say that it's not available in full text and you'd have to order it. We could talk about ordering it some other time. But this gives you an idea of how to look for things in this database. The next video will show you how to get to other searching tools that aren't just this one.